the date, the release date for the just this year's 2024 WAEC exam. There is a speculated date that the results will be out. So you just need to know those things. So just follow this video and you will know the release date when you can start expecting them to release your WAEC result. But then, before I tell you the particular day, there are just a few things we need to look at. Okay. Um, this is what the result your result will look like when you have followed. There was a video I did. If you have not watched this video, just go to our YouTube channel now and watch this video, how to check your WAEC result, 2024. Once you follow the steps I enumerated in those places, once you click submit, you will see something like this. It will contain your subject and the grades you have. This is just a sample from 2020 results. Now, there are grading system that WAEC uses. It's not like a normal secondary school where you have first position, second position. No, there's nothing like that. Here we have grades. A1 means excellent, B2 means very good, B3 means good, C4 means credit, C5 means credit, C6 means credit, D7 means pass. Of course, if you have D7, E8 means pass. F9 means fair. If you have anything between A1 to C6 that in any of your subject, it means you passed. But if you get anything from D7, D8, and God forbid F9, it means you did not pass. And if it is an essential subject, you will have to rewrite or make it up in your NECO exam. Okay, let's go. Let's look at the number of marks. By the way, before we do that, I need you to do three things for me. Like this video. Just boop the like button. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorial. Just subscribe right now and then come under this comment and tell me you have subscribed. When you subscribe, I will guide you on how to check your WAEC result. And if you don't know how to check your WAEC result, if you want me to check it for you, you can also tell me that you want us to check it for you. So like, subscribe, comment I have subscribed, then you can also share this video. Click on share, carry the link and share to all the groups you belong to. Okay, A1 means excellent, like I've said. In any subject, you have to make between 80, of course, every subject is about 100%. You have to make between 80 to 100%. If you get 80 to 100, you get A1. If you get 70 to 79, you get B2. If you get 65 to 69, you get B3. Are you with me? If you get 60 to 64, you get C4. If you get 55 to 59, you get C5. If you get 50 to 54, you get C6. If you get 45, God forbid though, if you get 45 to 49, you get D7. If you get 40 to 44, you get E8. And anything from 0 to 29 will give you F9. Remember I said 80 to 100% is A1, 70 to 79 B2, 65 to 69 B3, 60 to 64 C4, 55 to 59 C5, 50 to 54 C6, 45 to 49 D7, 40 to 44 E8, and God forbid 0 to 39 is F9. Now, when we WAEC release their result, this is written in Pidgin. They say WAEC normally releases the result 45 days after the last paper. 40, that is roughly a month and 1 week after the last paper. Now, so the last paper for this year's WAEC is on 24th of June. So 45 days from 25th of June, 45 days from 24th of June will be around August, ending of August. So we are expecting your WAEC result from the ending of August. By ending of August, you should expect to see your WAEC result. Now, if you have not checked on this video the steps to even check your WAEC results. The steps to check your WAEC result is already out. Go to our YouTube channel, watch this particular video. Or if you subscribe, you want me to send you the link to watch this video, just tell me to send it to you, and we or my staff will send it across to you immediately. Once you follow the step, this is the what the portal will show you. We will in that video will guide you on how to fill this form online for your WAEC result. Remember, like I said, do these three things now. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share this video. Just click on share on YouTube and copy the link and paste around all platforms on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and all the rest. Then comment. Once you subscribe, comment under this video, I have subscribed. Once you comment, I will begin to guide you on several other things you need to know as you are waiting for your WAEC. If you also need guidance on your JAM, I will also guide you. If you want to join our online study group, we have a study group on WhatsApp. If you want to join our study group on WhatsApp, also feel free to let me know. Just tell me you want to join our study group on WhatsApp, where you will have several people like you too. If you also wrote JAM, but you know someone that wrote JAM that doesn't know how to check the results, whether 2024 or any other year, watch this video on our channel. You can tell me to send you the link and you can have access to it. We wish you all the best. I know you will do very well in your WAEC results. Remember, like, subscribe, and comment. You have subscribed.